started.
Hi, my name is Nia Smith, and I am applying for the $2,500 grant for a small business owner's loan. Hi, the person that inspires me the most would be my grandmother. Her name is Eloise Grimes. She inspires me because back in the day, she really had to work hard to get to where she's at now. She was a stripper. And she did own a few hoes back in the day as well, and she worked very hard. She worked very hard to get to where she is now. Grandma, tell them about when you were on OPT.
I was never. I never stripped. Understand
you don't
that.
have to be, Grandma. You don't have to be embarrassed, Grandma.
That's what you told us, though,
It is
Grandma.
embarrassing.
No, it's not.
But
But it's not. You don't have to be embarrassed. This is for us to get better, Grandma. Don't be. She was a stripper. It was back in the 50s, so it was a new kind of thing. But you know, after the 50s, she went. The 60s, 70s were her time where she decided to go out of that and become a pimp. She did have a few. She told me she had a few.
That's right, Grandma.
Grandma, you're not trying to help me get this loan?
And I think that's a wrap.
It's a joke, Grandma. It's a joke. It's a joke, Grandma. It's a joke. It's a joke. We know you weren't no stripper nor a pimp. It's a whole joke.
Oh, God. She told me to do it, Grandma. I got Granny.
I don't know if my eyes got big or not. Oh, you should have saw your face.